implement during this pandemic situation, and I'm confident you will do it. The second thing is that for first year we are already late, and I think from last week we have been started. So senior will be taking classes in the morning. They will be guiding you. You try to learn as much as you possible. The ground will see what can be done. But yes, you assume that like online classes and everything, online practicals, you do it at your own. घर पे डेली कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना है. मिनिमम मिनिमम 40 मिनट्स कुछ ना कुछ एक्सरसाइज करना, अपने आप को फिट रखना है. एंड प्रोमोट दिस टू अदर्स एज वेल. अपने घर में तुम अगर करोगे तो आजू बाजू वाले देख के घर वाले भी, छोटे भाई बहन वो भी करेंगे. यू सेट अप एन एग्जाम्पल बाय डूइंग इट. I am confident you must be doing and you will be doing. If not doing, you will be doing. Okay. और कुछ किसी का कोई सवाल, कोई शक है तो बाद में आप पूछ सकते हैं आफ्टर द प्रोग्राम. जो भी है सीनियर को पास ऑन कर देना, या तो चैट बॉक्स में लिख देना जो भी क्वेश्चंस हैं. एक क्वेश्चन मैं सभी को पूछना चाहूंगा कि सच में हर एक के घर में सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है? अगर किसी के पास कुछ दिक्कत है, कोई चैलेंज है तो हमें बता देना. जिस तरह से हम सभी मिलके, हम जिसको भी नीड है, जिसको भी हेल्प करना, हेल्प चाहिए, जरूरी है, उसको हम डेफिनेटली करेंगे. क्योंकि हमारा पहला धर्म वो है, टू टेकिंग केयर ऑफ आवर लव्ड वंस. अगर अभी नहीं बता सकते तो नो प्रॉब्लम, बाद में बिल्कुल इंडिविजुअल मैसेज करके मुझे बता देना कि ऐसे ऐसे दिक्कत है, घर में कोई परेशानी है. कोई बात नहीं है, संकट तो हर एक पर आया है और निकल जाएगा. टाइम विल नेवर स्टॉप. उसको कैसे हमें हैंडल करना है वो हम पे डिपेंड करता है. आर यू रिस्पॉन्डिंग और आर यू टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? that makes the difference. So I am very much sure, being NCC cadets, you are responsible. Being Indian citizens, you are responsible. Being cultured generation of your parents, you are responsible. I am very much sure you will do best of your. So I will hand over to the program moderator. Any question? Okay, over to the program moderator. Jain, to the Swarup.
Thank you, sir, for your provoking address. As given a platform for us. First of all, I would like to play a national song before starting the program.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाहे तव जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
अब भारत माता की
जय
जय जय. भारत माता की
जय
जय जय. भारत माता की
जय जय जय.
जाओ.
Without taking much time, I would like to start our ceremony. Although India got its independence in 1947, our beloved state was created on 1st of May 1960. This is the reason we are celebrating today's day. But the creation of our state wasn't as easy as it seems. It was truly a Herculean task, but it was well deserved by sacrifices of many peoples and martinet of many peoples, which got our which got our state and Mumbai, yeah, in our state. We will know more information about this by my buddy, Cadet Aditya Khandare.
Jai Hind to one and all. I, Cadet Aditya Satish Khandare from Deba to NCC unit. On the occasion of Maharashtra Day, I would like to speak on Sayukta Maharashtra movement. India, extending from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, is a country full of rich heritage, holding together the people of different cultures, traditions, and languages. There is unity and diversity across the region. Therefore, it was decided to make regions on linguistic basis on a public demand. But as soon as we got independence, businessmen and rich people lobby dominated and government remained far from public outcry. There was strong demand of Marathi people for the formation of Maharashtra, including Mumbai. But the denial of the demand gave rise to Sayukta Maharashtra movement. The Sayukta Maharashtra movement was so powerful that the ruling party and the political leaders were exposed to the public. Sayukta Maharashtra Committee was formed in the 1946 and it was headed by G.T. Madkolkar and later involved great political leaders like S.M. Joshi, Senapati Bapat, P.K. Atre, Prabodhan Thakre, Ahilya Rangnekar, Pramila Dandavate and many more. For the formation of states, Dhar Commission was formed by the government, but this commission disappointed Marathi people by saying that Marathi people had no authority over Mumbai and demand of linguistic region was baseless and useless. Again, JVP Commission was formed by Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Patel. This commission gave its report on 1st April 1949 and said that time was not suitable for formation of linguistic state. But ironically, committee formed Telugu region, which was also a linguistic region. Now the anger in the Maharashtrians was increasing. In October 1955, Fazal Commission was formed. It suggested formation of two states, Gujarat and Maharashtra. But Mumbai was included in Gujarat. So, Sayukta Maharashtra Committee opposed this proposal. Now the Sayukta Maharashtra movement was becoming very aggressive and it was also spreading in various regions of Maharashtra because of Maratha newspaper by Acharya Atre. Lok Shahir Annabhau Sate and Shahir Amar Sheikh also spread the importance of movement through their poems in rural areas. On the top of Fazal Ali Commission, Nehruji proposed a three-state formula, which was separating Mumbai from Maharashtra. Now tolerance capacity of the Marathi people had come to an end, and this decision led to widespread and huge crowd heading towards the Flora fountain. There was lathi charge and several tear gases shells also released. The turnout of the huge crowd exhibited the tremendous courage and the unity between the Marathi people. Sadly, Senapati Bapat and Lalji Pense were badly hurt in the lathi charge. Many political leaders were arrested, but still, protesters moved further. Ultimately, police fired at the crowd, which led to the sacrifice of 15 protesters. During this time, again Pandit Nehru declared that Mumbai be made an union territory. This decision made the movement more aggressive. The restless efforts made by government, led by Morarji Desai, to crush this movement, ironically strengthened the movement. All schools, banks, colleges participated in the strike. There was curfew everywhere. During the 16 to 22 January, 90 people were brutally killed by the government. Total 107 martyrs sacrificed their lives for the unity of Maharashtra. Financial Minister of that time, Sri C.D. Deshmukh, resigned the post to support this movement. Due to the sacrifice, massive outrage, and political pressure, government had to kneel down and form Maharashtra state and Mumbai as its capital on 1st May 1960. At last, I want to say something in Marathi for all those who sacrificed their lives. That उत्सव हा बलिदानाचा असा साजरा व्हावा, जय जयकारता यांचा आसमंती गरजावा. सांडले रुधिर ज्यांनी महाराष्ट्रासाठी जन्मतायांचा फिरून महाराष्ट्रीच व्हावा, जन्मतायांचा फिरून महाराष्ट्रीच व्हावा. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Fantastic, my friend. You gave a very nice information about our state and let us know the history of Maharashtra and Mumbai, which to any of us were unknown. As we know, Maharashtra is not just a state, it is a heritage. Many legendary personalities like छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज, संत तुकाराम महाराज, सावित्रीबाई फुले, स्वातंत्र्यवीर सावरकर, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Sachin Tendulkar, and many other personalities are born in Maharashtra and made a heaven here. Many important events are also held in this land. Our culture as well as our technology are rich as well as uh, uh, and to tell the story of the story and the information about our Maharashtra, I would like to call my buddy Cadet Chinmay Kulkarni to deliver his speech. Chinmay Kulkarni.
मीटिंग में नहीं है क्या? इज नॉट देयर इन द मीटिंग, लिस्ट में नहीं दिख रहा है.
Pardon, sir, the cadet, the presenter name is Sachin Kulkarni.
हाँ, ओके. सचिन कुलकर्णी इज देयर. या अनम्यूट सचिन.
Yes, Shriman.
You are presenter.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, go ahead.
Jai Shriman, I Cadet Sachin Kulkarni from third year Mechanical Engineering. On the occasion of 1st May Maharashtra Day, I would like to say something about Maharashtra Day. We celebrate 1st May as a Maharashtra Divas. When India became an independent country in 1947, Bombay was separate state with the areas in the existing Maharashtra and Gujarat. In 1950, Sanyukta Maharashtra Samiti spearheaded the demand for creation of separate Marathi state. After so many people killed during separate Maharashtra protest at Flora Fountain, Sanyukta Maharashtra Samiti achieved its goal when the Maharashtra with Mumbai as its capital was formed on 1st May 1960 under Bombay Reorganization Act. In Mumbai, the Maharashtra Day celebrations are held at Shivaji Park in central Mumbai. The armed services lining the parade route. On this occasion, several distinguished individuals are also honored for their contribution. Illustrious teachers, police officials, sportsmen, doctors are congratulated for their effective roles in their respective fields. Maharashtra is a land of warriors, saints, reformers, freedom fighters, athletes, poets, and artists. This land gave birth to the great King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who beaten all the invaders and established the Hindvi Swarajya. In Maharashtra, different regions have different culture and heritage, but still we are united. The first Indian movie, Raja Harishchandra, was created in Mumbai by Dadasaheb Phalke. Now Maharashtra is a hub for Indian cinema. Here, lots of social reformers like Jyotiba Phule, Savitribai Phule, Garge Baba, Baba Ambedkar, etc. give their entire life to the welfare of society. Maharashtra is a state of shrines. Mother Nature blessing to the Maharashtra in the form of Konkan, Sahyadri mountain range and rich forest in Vidarbha. In Maharashtra, there were legendary leaders like Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Lokmanya Tilak, Swatantraveer Savarkar, who revolutionized whole country. India's first atomic station was established in Maharashtra at Tarapur. Wrestling in the red soil is one of the famous sports in Maharashtra. Shekru means giant squirrel is state animal of Maharashtra. Bhima Shankar Wildlife Sanctuary was established to protect our state animal. Bhima River originates from this sanctuary. Saint Jnaneshwar and Saint Tukaram gave great contribution in the field of spirituality. Jnaneshwari and Gatha are one of the greatest spiritual books. At the last, I would like to say that Labhale Ammas Bhagya Bolato Marathi. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Very nice speech you delivered, Sachin, and shared us the information about the day. After the independent state of Maharashtra, there were many incidents that occurred in Maharashtra. And to tell the information about this, Roshan Ingle is going to deliver his speech.
Jai Hind Shriman. I Cadet Roshan Ingle, second year civil, DB2 NCC unit. On the occasion of Maharashtra Din, I would like to share some points. First, I would like to some 2 points in Marathi. शूर आम्ही सरदार आम्हाला, शूर आम्ही सरदार आम्हाला, काय कुणाची भीती, देव देश अन धर्मासाठी प्राण घेतले हाती. घाबरणे हे आमच्या रक्तात नाही, घाबरणे हे आमच्या पूर्वीपासूनच रक्तात नाही, सांगून गेली ही मराठी माती, शूर आम्ही सरदार आम्हाला, काय कुणाची भीती. First May. First May is celebrated as Maharashtra Day every year in India. This is the date on which the formation of the state of Maharashtra was done from by the Bombay state in the year of 1960. On this day, the government announced public holiday to all sectors such as schools, colleges, offices, and companies under the jurisdiction of the state. The central government of the country organized many programs and events for celebrating this day. NCC cadets also arrange the programs in this day. The demand for separate state for Marathi speaking people being in 1940 by Sanyukta Mahasabha organization led the movement for statehood. However, the struggle took a backside due to Quiet India movement and World War II. It took more than 2 decades with many companies advocating for separate state. In the year of 1956, then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru announced Bombay as a union territory for 5 years. Later, the Lok Sabha passed a resolution for the bilingual state of Bombay. In March 1960, the Lok Sabha proposed the state resolution. A month later, the resolution on the came into existence with Bombay as a capital, and Maharashtra state of Bombay was approved by the lower house. All the duration of time for this is 2 decades, start in 1940 and end at 1960. Marathis are proud of their origin and fiercely protective about it. The Marathis have always supported the movement for separate state. The central government accepted the request and passed a bill to create Maharashtra. To celebrate this glorious day, they observe Maharashtra Day or Maharashtra Divas or Maharashtra Din. In Maharashtra, peoples celebrated this day with joy and pride. Many political, traditional, and entertainment events and activities are organized on this day. People give homage to the all legend freedom fighters of India who were from Maharashtra on this day, such as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Lokmanya Tilak, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Savitribai Phule, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. The schools and colleges have holiday on this day, but they celebrated Maharashtra Day by organizing events such as essay writing, speech, elocution, quiz, debates, and drawing competition. There are many songs which are composed in such a way that they elaborated this day's celebration. Such songs are Jaya Jaya Maharashtra माझा, Garja Maharashtra माझा, which is also called as the Maharashtra Geet or Maharashtra song. There are many slogans in Marathi which are used in the celebration of Maharashtra Day, such as Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind, and one little song, Mangal Desha, Pavitra Desha, Maharashtra Desha, Pranam घ्यावा माझा हा श्री महाराष्ट्र देशा, प्रणाम घ्यावा माझा हा श्री महाराष्ट्र देशा, मंगल देशा, पवित्र देशा, मी महाराष्ट्राचा, महाराष्ट्र माझा. And I would like to say some 2 lines in Marathi. भीती ना आम्हा तुझी, भीती ना आम्हा तुझी, मुडीही गडगडणाऱ्या नभा, भीती ना आम्हा तुझी, मुडीही गडगडणाऱ्या नभा, आसमानाच्या सुलतानीला जवाब देतो जिबा, सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गरजतो, सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गरजतो, शिव शंभू राजा, दरी दरीतून नांद गुजला, जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा. थँक्यू. जय हिंद सर.
Very nice, Cadet Roshan. You gave a very interesting information, which will be definitely useful for us and motivated us. दारिद्र्याच्या उन्हात शिजला, निढळ्या घामाने भिजला, देश गौरवासाठी झिजला, दिल्लीचेही तख्त राखतो महाराष्ट्र माझा. This is not just a sentence, but the bravery, power, and courage of our ancestors who made this sentence alive. There are innumerable historical events that happened here. Many great kings ruled Maharashtra from Maurya to second Bajirao Peshwa to the independent state of Maharashtra. And to tell the bit information about this, my buddy cadet Vaibhav Vange and Abhishek Katakwar is going to show us a PPT and tell us information about this.
Jain cadets. I cadet Abhishek Katakwar from DIBA to Petrochemical second year degree and my buddy cadet Vaibhav Vange second year computer diploma are going to present some information about history of Maharashtra. Origin. The name Maharashtra is believed to be originated from Maharathi, which means chariot driver. Maharashtra entered the recorded history in the 2nd century before Christ with the construction of its first Buddhist caves. The name Maharashtra first appeared in the 7th century in the account of contemporary Chinese traveler Huan Tsang. According to the recorded history, the first Hindu king ruled the state during 6th century based in Badami. These are the two pics of the 7th century Chinese traveler Huan Tsang, which came from Chinese, and the second is a picture of ancient map of Maharashtra depicting the map as new state of Bombay. Now we are going to talk about ancient rulers of Maharashtra. Maharashtra was ruled by Maurya Empire in the 4th and 3rd centuries BCE. Around 230 BCE, Maharashtra came under the rule of the Satavahana dynasty for 400 years. The state was also ruled by Western Satraps, Gupta Empire, Gurjara Parithara, Vakataka, Kadambas, Chalukya Empire, Rashtrakuta dynasties, Western Chalukya before finally the Yadav rule. The Buddhist Ajanta caves in present day Aurangabad displays the influences from Satvahana and Vakataka style. The caves were possibly excavated during this period. These are some pictures showing Maurya empires and Satvahana dynasty. The first picture depicting the Maurya Empire, stupas of Sachi, and the second is the entrance of Satvahana dynasty. These are beautiful and glorifying architecture are the most amazing attraction for the world. Below these pictures, the two pictures are of Ajanta caves which are currently situated at Aurangabad. In the early 14th century, the Yadav dynasty, which ruled most of the present-day Maharashtra, was overthrown by Delhi Sultanate ruler Alauddin Khilji. Later, Muhammad bin Tughlaq conquered parts of Deccan. After the collapse of Tughlaqs in 1347, the local Bahmani Sultanate of Gulbarga took over governing the region for the next 150 years. After the breakup of Bahmani Sultanate in 1518, Maharashtra split into 5 Deccan Sultanates. The first was Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, second was Adil Shah of Bijapur, third was Qutub Shah of Golconda, fourth was Bidar Shah of Bidar, and the last but not the least, Imad Shah of Ilchipur. By the early 17th century, Shahji Bhosle, an ambitious local general who had served Ahmednagar Sultanate, the Mughals and Adil Shah of Bijapur at different periods during his career, implemented to establish his independent rule. These are two pictures of great leaders, Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The Muhammad bin Tughlaq ruled Delhi Sultanate before Alauddin Khilji, and Muhammad bin Tughlaq before Bahmani Sultan of Gulbarga. Now I am going to hand over the presentation to my buddy Vaibhav to provide some more information and facts about Maharashtra, continuing to great Maratha Empire. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek, for the wonderful explanation. Now, moving forward, I would start my information by giving the information about the great Maratha Empire. The Maratha Empire dominated the political scene in India from middle of 17th century to early 19th century. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was founder of Maratha Empire. Shivaji Maharaj first started out of an enclave from declining the Adil Shahi Sultanate of Bijapur that formed the genesis of Maratha Empire. After Shivaji Maharaj's death in 1680, his son Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj succeeded him. This period is also referred to as period of instability for Maratha Empire. Maratha Empire, which was further expanded during 18th century by Peshwas based in Pune, Bhosles of Nagpur, Gaikwad of Baroda, Holkar of Indore, Scindia of Gwalior. These are some peaks of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. After Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, the Maratha Empire was handed over to the Peshwas like Balaji Vishwanath from 1712 to 1721. Bajirao Peshwa ruled from 1721 to 1740. Other notable rulers like Nanasaheb Peshwa, Thorlai Madhavrao Peshwa ruled from 1740 to 1772. Narayan Rao Peshwa ruled the Maratha Empire and Peshwai from 1772 to 1773. Savai Madhavrao Peshwa and second Bajirao Peshwa ruled from 1774 to 1802. The fall of Ahmednagar Fort in 1803 marked the end of Indian rule and supremacy of British in Deccan started. In 1804, General Weasley proclaimed the Deccan in a state of chaos and established a military rule, and Peshwas remained rulers for namesake. Maratha Empire came to an end with the defeat of second Bajirao Peshwa on June 3, 1818. This is the pre-independence map of Maharashtra, which includes the present state of Gujarat. It was known as Bombay Presidency. Here, different areas are marked with different colors. Post-independence. After Indian independence, princely states and Jagirs of Deccan State Agency were merged into Bombay State, which was created from former Bombay Presidency in 1950. The present state of Maharashtra came into being on 1st May 1960, which is celebrated as Maharashtra Day. A separate Marathi-speaking state by dividing early Bombay state into a new states of Maharashtra and Gujarat were formed. Post-independence, Maharashtra came forth as a financial and industrial center of the nation. This is the current map of Maharashtra. Now, I would like to emphasize on some of the interesting facts about Maharashtra. Do you know Maharashtra has a massive road network of about 2,67,452 kilometers of road. In Shani Shingnapur, there are no doors. It is very much believed that one who tries to steal anything faces the wrath of Shani Maharaj. No wonder that Mumbai is considered as a financial capital of India with massive per capita income of more than that of the India. Being an financial capital, Maharashtra has largest proportion of taxpayers in India. Maharashtra has great cultural diversity, hence it is also called as land of many saints. Also, having a long coastal region of about 720 kilometers, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj thought of a threat from the sea, so he introduced the concept of navy, and the first Indian navy was established by him. The very first railway in Asia ran between Mumbai and Thane on 16th April 1853. Dharavi in Mumbai is the largest slum in Asia and is also one of the most densely populated area on the earth with population density of over 2,77,136 per square kilometer. Thank you. With this information, I end my PPT. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaibhav and Abhishek, for telling us such an important event held in Maharashtra and made us feel more proud to be an Maharashtrian. I will like to tell Bhagat sir the review of the program.
Hey children, you are as always fantastic. Congratulations. बहुत बढ़िया. Everybody has got aware once again. And recently, I forgot to mention few things. Recently, online EBSB was conducted, and in that, our one cadet, Ajay, he has got first prize into debate, I think. Debate or quiz? What was it?
In quiz competition, sir.
Yeah, it was quiz competition. So
Yes, sir.
I'm really proud of you. I wish from all of our cadets very congratulations.
Thank
And
you, sir.
I would like to have everyone will applaud for him as an NCC club on demand, on command.
I request everyone to unmute their mic. NCC clap, ready, go.
और एक बार एनसीसी क्लब होगा हम सब के लिए, सारे बच्चों के लिए।
NCC clap, ready, go.
So it was very fantastic morning. We have celebrated our Maharashtra Day in very beautiful manner, and it is very happy to see almost 90 cadets are there. We are 90 actually, including me. So first year सब ठीक ठाक चल रहा है, किसी का कोई शक, कोई सवाल? फर्स्ट ईयर में से कोई बात करेगा? How many are there in the first year in this meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm the first year of mechanical engineering.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So anybody is having any challenge? किसी का कोई सवाल, कोई शक?
No, sir.
ओके, देखो बच्चों, फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। फर्स्ट ईयर वाले जितने भी बच्चे हैं उनके लिए जो भी क्लासेस शुरू हुए हैं उसमें से अभी ये मत समझना तुमको इसमें इंक्लूड किया इसका मतलब यू आर एनरोल्ड फॉर द एनसीसी। नो, नॉट रियली। यू विल बी टेस्टेड, you prove yourself, you have worthy to be in the NCC. So ये 8-15 दिन चलेगा ये सिलसिला, उसके बाद छाटेंगे और फाइनल रोल लिस्ट दे दी जाएगी। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है जिनका नाम नहीं आया उन्होंने बिल्कुल मायूस नहीं होना है, बिल्कुल स्पोर्टी हार्ट से इसको एक्सेप्ट करना है। डेफिनेटली विल कंसिडर यू फॉर द अदर एक्टिविटीज। इट डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस कि तुम एनरोल है या नहीं है। It is important that you are in NCC. You are building your personality, your benefit. Whatever you are doing for yourself. तुम अगर खुद डेवलप हो जाओगे तो अपने आप तुम्हारा नेशन डेवलप हो जाएगा। Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So to the senior, hand over.
There is an end to everything, but we believe that there never an end, but always a beginning. Now, I would like to conclude our program. Jai Maharashtra and stay home, stay safe. And I would like to hand over my duty to Cadet Devesh Deshmukh for the vote of thanks.
Jai Hind to all. First of all, Happy Maharashtra Day. Honorable Chief Guest, Captain Milind Bhagat sir, cadets of DBA 2 NCC unit, and everyone present here. Before we conclude the program, we will be failing in our duty if I don't thank everyone who has helped us in putting this program together. We express our gratitude to DBA 2 NCC unit, Captain Milind Bhagat sir, who gave us the green flag to conduct this event and entrusted us with such a great opportunity. I further extend my thanks to cadets who have active participation in this program to make this event a success. In this pandemic situation, we all know an event can never be successful without a strong technical team. So a special mention for technical team of DIBA 2 NCC unit. Last but not the least, I thank all the cadets who have supported directly and indirectly to make this event a success, as well as thanks to all the cadets who have participated and maintained the decorum throughout the event. In these trying times, I urge everyone to stay home and take all the precautions necessary. Masks are imperative in this fight against COVID-19 coronavirus. Let us all be aware and fight this pandemic together. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Now I hand over command to Cadet Siddharth Kamble.
जय हिंद सर, आज के ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम को विसर्जित करने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान।
अनुमति है।
जय हिंद सर। You can leave now meeting.